Are you on the hunt for a trusted manufacturer of premium bulbs and searchlights?
Welcome to Candas Noorina Factory, leaders in producing all kinds of bulbs and lighting fixtures.
We utilize cutting-edge technology and equipment to guarantee product quality. Every step of the manufacturing process within the factory is carried out under the watchful eyes of specialized engineers. Our team consists of highly skilled technicians with vast experience in manufacturing, and we have an expert engineering staff. Every single one of our products undergoes safety testing. To ensure their safety and efficiency, we supply an extensive selection of bulbs and searchlights to meet all your needs. We're dedicated to offering top quality products and exceptional customer service. For further information, kindly contact us on the number displayed on your screen.